Is your Angular app feeling slow? Long load times, laggy pages, or poor Lighthouse scores can drive users away? In this video, I will show you 10 proven ways to make your Angular app faster without unnecessary complexity. Introduction. Angular is already optimized for building large applications, but your app's performance depends on how you build it. These steps are practical, easy to apply, and can significantly improve loading speed and runtime performance. Let's get started. Number 1. Enable production builds. Always build your app using ng-build -- configuration production. Production builds enable optimizations like minification, tree shaking, and ahead of time or AOT compilation, resulting in smaller and faster applications. Number 2. Lazy load feature modules. Don't load your entire application on the first visit. Use lazy loading so Angular only downloads features modules when users actually need them. This reduces the initial bundle size and improves first load time. Use on-push change detection. This is number 3. By default, Angular checks many components frequently. Setting change detection : change detection strategy .one push reduces unnecessary checks and can dramatically improve performance, especially in large applications. Number 4. Track items with track by. When using *ng4, Angular may recreate every item after a data update. Adding a track by function helps Angular identify which items actually changed, reducing unnecessary DOM updates. Number 5. Optimize images. Large images are one of the biggest performance killers. Use modern formats like WebP or AVIF, compress images, and always serve the correct image size instead of oversized files. Number 6. Remove unused dependencies. Every extra package increases your bundle size. Regularly review your dependencies and uninstall libraries you are no longer using. Smaller bundles mean faster downloads. Number 7. Use root preloading wisely. After the first page loads, Angular can preload lazy loaded routes in the background. This makes feature navigation feel almost instant without slowing the initial page load too much. Number 8. Cache API requests. Avoid requesting the same data repeatedly. Using RxJS operators like share replay parentheses or implementing proper caching reduces server calls and improves responsiveness. Number 9. Virtualize large lists. Rendering thousands of items at once is expensive. Instead, use Angular CDK virtual scroll so only visible items are rendered, keeping scrolling smooth even with huge datasets. Number 10 and finally, analyze your bundle size. Do not guess what's making your app large. Use tools like Angular Bundle Analyzer or Source Map Explorer to identify oversized libraries and remove unnecessary code. A smaller bundle almost always means a faster application. Final thoughts. You do not need every optimization. Start with production builds, lazy loading, on-push change detection, image optimization, and bundle analysis. These alone can provide major performance improvements for most Angular applications. As your app grows gradually, add techniques like virtual scrolling, caching, and route preloading. If you found these Angular performance tips helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more Angular tutorials, and let me know down below in the comments which optimization made the biggest difference in your project. Thanks for watching and goodbye.